Congratulations, you've made it to the last lesson of the Affiliate Marketing Income Streams course. And from here, I just want to celebrate your accomplishments of learning about affiliate marketing, how to sign up, how to promote, and how to do best practices in affiliate marketing. We've used LifterLMS as an example. If you haven't yet, go ahead and sign up for the LifterLMS affiliate program and use that to teach yourself affiliate marketing and get started, get the systems set up, and start developing your affiliate marketing income stream. And once you've got that done, I'd encourage you to expand to other affiliate products as well. Not too many. Remember, quality over quantity, and find the products that you love, that your audience and communities love, and do more affiliate marketing so you can build out multiple affiliate income streams on the side. And you can also, once you do that, start integrating multiple affiliate offers and single strategies or cross promotion. So for example, like we demoed in another training in this course, where you could have a tools I love page and you can slowly start building up your tool recommendations on that page, or products I love, whatever you want to call it. And, kind of be promoting multiple affiliate offers at once. You can also do that in a newsletter via email, like, hey, these are my top 3 tool tips for this week, products I love and use, and so on. And the other thing I'd encourage you to do is keep an eye on the market trends for your audience or your community. So if you see something really starting to emerge or becoming more and more popular, maybe it's a certain product, maybe there's something going on in the world. For example, in 2020, I have a friend who has a online restaurant ordering software for WordPress. And because that kind of software became in very high demand, if you were promoting WordPress products and e-commerce products, or WooCommerce products in this case, that might be a good time to promote that offer, because it's something that the world's really interested in at the moment that's trending up. For example, artificial intelligence tools are trending. Many of those have affiliate programs as well. You'll see, like in the WordPress space, different hosting companies become more and more popular, trending up. It might be worth, experimenting, make sure you like the host and the quality is great and it works. If you're promoting like WordPress hosting, you can keep an eye on the trends inside that industry. But analyzing market trends and just being aware as things shift, or maybe you already have something in your affiliate marketing program that is becoming more popular again. It used to be, but it's coming back. So maybe you should put some effort on distributing and promoting your affiliate link for that one. So those are some different ideas to think about as you expand your affiliate income streams from LifterLMS. If you haven't yet, go ahead and sign up for the LifterLMS affiliate program. We're grateful to have you as an affiliate partner in our program. Our philosophy is that, we would rather pay you to promote LifterLMS and earn commissions than pay a big company like Facebook or Google for ads, as an example. And, on our mission to lift up others through education, affiliates help get the word out about LifterLMS and democratizing learning in the digital classroom. And you, as an affiliate partner, are an important part of that story. So we'll see you inside the LifterLMS affiliate program. Hope you enjoyed the training. If you have any questions, just reach out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.